MDC ke Mawphlang Diengïei konsumsi balam prangla ula penisok pura syaka National People's Party hak santrik urisau arjar fuei hak jingelang hamaran syat Mawphlang ban nakaliang ke parti kelapan skam kelai kum kertong na benta ke eleksyon cina mikmat sedang samoi syaka yang darbar tauan ke jala na Mawphlang konsumsi keban long kalai podrek urisau arjar fuei hak ni jingelang la pediang sobahayu balam prangla rengkat kinong kersan dan National President ke NPP Konrad ke sangma ubadai menteri rangba ke jala hak jingelang lang Dr. WR Khaluki State President ke NPP Meghalaya Unit, Badairu MP Raja Sabha, National Vice President, Bak Presiden Tunsong, Ubadairu Sembut Menteri Rangba, Lem Kuei Pan. Kumbar syukudau, Ubalam Prangpla, Udai Ubalam Ikmat, Ika MDC Mawphlang Diengïei Konsensi, Lasausin Kenti, Nakaseng Kongres, Badairu Unong Yalam Kaliang Persya, Hakayang Darbar KHDC, Hakaning Samoy Trikam Gubamenta.
Menteri Lamprang Belak, Ulajab harus Southern kum MDC jogari konstitusi. Ngai ngam artete balai ujok. Ngai balai ubreu. Ubatrei hong ekam. Namarta ki paiba ki ai di sanian. Bat hari kenti ngatharai. Mawphlang konstitusi. Kan ai dia di sanian ko purai. Da ko penjok. Jadi Menteri Lamphlang Belak kumu MLA nagne konstitusi ke jom. Bak kumu trei kumu MDC ngatharai utrei kam la sosyo kumu MLA jogri kathan. Kabar hamarong haye swag gini la polong jim duai. Bak jim pule himai jongi berong himai jongi ni kujo. Kaba sok jimut, begini kekam, udai berji. Bak menteri, ladau belai, uman menjadi, don belak berkan. Dengan eskem, bah jinjai berkat jempir berkat baru belai, kerkui. Bak hari kepor ada semua tenare, ban ai kecil ban benang kini kesini. Bahawa Menteri Lamphlang Belak ulong kandidat jong ke NPP na kini ke Mawphlang konstitusi. Baknya khalang ini baiba barok bapin ai di kersang pura. Mentah usong hapedeng UCM baru di UCM dalam ong iki beraru. Menteri Lamphlang Belak ulong nong kersang kata assembly pi beraru.
Go kino Mawphlang baik. Kata ngamut berong ya pi, ini impor sistem. Ubado prestun berbor ya pi, budget tu menteri bang. Namanya lewat lama ngaya kecingkang, apa sekretariat. Usia mudon, don sing kecingkang usia gadon, kecingkang deputi CM gadon. Ketika kamu masuk hakaton, tekam persuk ya ni, pergi petang terakhir persuk lagi ni apa? Dengan eskem, bagi pajba jong ke Mawphlang konstitusi, kita ini bapro kejabi, kita ini beri ke Sempang, kita ini beri ke Stad. Naga kadau hakal lai potri let jar halaki jong ki jakat hepur haka kerteng jong menteri doa kawaa lese bon kerteng jong pipin pada tip ha ya ka parti NPP ngatrai kok Mawphlang bilang tip pela mendagas ni kae kene ke NPP ngasih to IP ke NPP ke per na ka UDP kaya per na ka PDF kaya per na ka HSPDP bak kaya per na ka Kongres bak ke BJP balai no ya per Kajingnya per kadai na marba kane ke parti mention snem kayo promotion long national party. But kebeneng kontam ke parti NPP na North Eastern States Brokaway banyo ya ke national status. Kane kajian marga jingker ku ulet pi sama unong yang bakrau joko Meghalaya jogi. Udah unong yang bakrau jongka North Eastern States jogi. Baru dia nong yang bakrau ubayo Diengïei utau yang ni parti napok Manipur. Ndai balik tahu sedih-sedih. Dekade tang kane ka parti kabayo ia kata status kabagi ong national party. Baka NPP kan nongrin ke jongka kapaklan kalong ban yen na kabentaki ripat na kabentaki tribal ngasnei ya kayen kasem joka parti kongres teng-teng lek Delhi biamai si silo utau nongkit kam ka presiden na kae tamani kendur rap si tayo ngi dia perjimut national presiden juga warung hayeng jopi. Si kita langsung di problem. Kata kedai ke national party kawana terai. Tedon imat kibom kuat ban pek. Baka parti na Meghalaya kanya jengi haka durio jongka politics hapot Delhi don di babisni but don ro ki bangkwa lok bae to ngiskau bah ban pen dau ban pen ngeu haka de parti NPP jom kata de bentar ka baar ka bangapa ban persai ban perskutu haka de kecabi bat kebentar kebalai bat kebakadu Ong ibake kapan syok Diengïei yang aban join sebagai NPP namar basyen na serpi hadu habanyun nginyo ia ka surok forlin kadai kecing sisa kakam kelas dan habdan ki babon kecing wit kecing wi kecing thot ngina ka sarkar ni yang scam bangin pen urlong balai ibake silare kren mena don ten kilong yin ki bayang thang hablet phai no tanah laimer empoju hospital laklat ki bayi tang sudet kalika forlin laung ya pi kan long ka cikir ku ya kalika than jogi baro kithan sergi jogi baro kan long ka cikir ku ka bakra nanta susu ki bol ki surok ki project ki bangatrai belayo i ngilaya persiam banle baru mentak kadang don ha upai ubangin sapeni no artat ye kodar gitu ki bampat yo baka target jogi mentak ganti tan hakal yang kesurok berpenha si hajar arspa 10 kilometer bangi penbhai ki surok ke bapak sasi hajar arspa 10 kilometer ijela jogi bare si hajar arspa 10 kilometer kabamut ka jinggerku ka bakrau kata ade ka sarkar kayalam dengan pipi Nei kolok baik kau pi La pibisni kam lelei. Utei ugun jurong urbisha. Om Gibreu bahana kata ke sorkar NPP ke batu ke balute ke bathe. Ngawa ubi haka bakadu. Ugun jurong urbisha. What's no to bakla tu konrat sama upestun ubas ko bahang ida dangde. Yo pi om. Badai tang kajing khot lembaga drama kajing khot kalong kabakan jable ukhot umane juro bangin syakri ladaya ablele haba bisyakri ho ya ka jelna ya ka konsensi ya ka ri ya ka jat benriu pinhun kamen sim juno juno kita deki kam gebangi persan na kaliang jom ke parti NPP na danga khot ngawe ya baro sngau ha ko ki ba jom ke Mawphlang konsensi ka Mawphlang konsensi de ka we de ki konsensi ka ba paunam hapo ka turis map jom ke India ba jom ke perthei kaladon Dong ini akan teh susu ia akan nam keburong. Lapik keren jika di sisa ia akan niam, ia akan rukom, ia akan riti kedustur menteri belah tiba. Nampak dokter menteri. Atau kapan suk lebih baik dia kata lalu. Lasuk sibur. Nama ridon kam ban benek ban perskem. Ia akan ri, ia akan dustur. Ya kan diam, ya kan rukom, jom kacat benriu ke bekerpang ke jomi. Disuabangan syok, token mau, ko kilo kemi, ko kilo pa, ko kikot sama bayi, wat perleno kabut ke jopi, hakalai protore, dadem hatmat jomble, suaba pin kabut jopi. Kenang bapin babekala pateng la pateng.
The National People's Party has achieved something that no other political party in the whole country could achieve in such a short time, which was to become a national party. But the beauty of National People's Party is this, that we may be a party that is a national party, but our mindset is on the regional importance and on the regional issues of our state and of our region. That is the beauty of this party. If you look at any other national party, like the BSP, their political party is formed by different states in the central part of India. But the National People's Party is a party that is formed purely by the states of the Northeast. Purely. And that is the strength of this party. And that is why today we have our Honorable MDC, Mantri Bla, who has also realized that there is no future continuing with the Congress. He has realized that the Congress party is disintegrating throughout the country. He has realized that today the Congress party, even at the national level, only has a temporary president. Even after 3 years, they were not able to elect a leader. If the leadership is not there, who will make the party grow? And that is why today Congress is disintegrating. There is no use being in a sinking ship. And that's why we are very happy and welcome Mantri Bla and the entire supporters and leaders who have worked term after term for him to make him MDC again and again. And I would like to once again take this opportunity to welcome Mantri Bla and all his supporters to the National People's Party. And I can assure you that together we will work, we will win this election, we will move forward this constituency, and together we will take our state forward. Friends, in this last 3.5 years, this government has faced many challenges, many difficulties. There were many incidents that we faced where there was law and order situation. Anything could have happened. But Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, all the cabinet colleagues, whenever a law and order situation came up, we used to discuss together. That all the people who are involved, or the complexity that is there right now, whatever is happening, these are our people. These are not enemies from across the border or from some other country. These are our people.
Hey Michael, your phone is...
And therefore, while we deal with the law and order situation in a firm manner, we must protect the lives of our citizens. We must not do anything where our citizens will be harmed. So be firm, maintain the law and order, but ensure that our citizens are protected. And therefore, in many law and order situations that we faced, you must have seen that not a single life was lost. We have made sure that we maintain the law and order situation by taking our people into confidence, by taking the community and society into confidence. And that is how we would like to move forward, but maintain our firmness in terms of the law and order situation. When it came to development aspects, if you look in the last 3.5 years, the amount of schemes, the number of roads, the number of schools, the number of colleges that this government has built cannot be matched by anybody. Our Deputy Chief Minister must have shared with you the number of kilometers of roads and the amount that has been spent when it came to PWD. Under his leadership, the department has performed excellently, with the maximum number of roads being sanctioned and completed in the last 3.5 years. It was this government that started the program for benefit and welfare of the farmers. No other government has given so much importance to farmers as this government has given. It is this government that has pushed entrepreneurs and allowed our youth to start different businesses. No other government has given the push to entrepreneurship and to small businesses and to the youth like we have. It is this government that has come out with a youth policy, come out with a sports policy, come out with the education policy, come out with a PPP policy, come out with the act which makes it mandatory to give public service within a specific time. These are all the achievements of this government. Friends, I don't want to go much into details of all those aspects, as through the election campaign, I'm sure our team will be discussing and sharing that with you. But yesterday, we had a very disturbing situation where there were challenges that were thrown to the NPP. I wonder why such a timing, that one day before Mr. Mantri Blah is supposed to join, somebody comes out with a statement like this. Are they scared? Are they scared that NPP is growing from strength to strength? Let me tell you, after the power from above, the power that God has, second to that is only the power and will of the people. There is no other strength that is more powerful than the democracy. There is no other strength that's more powerful than the power of the people. So please don't put these kind of challenges. I want to tell the people of NPP, all the supporters of NPP, be strong. We are here to fight for our people. We are here to ensure that we take our state forward. We should not be bowed down by these simple challenges that are thrown at us.
Ngawan nakam kum sacrifice ba ngalong menteri kay Mawphlang absent senam ngalong MDC juga Mawphlang Diengïei tala running prasnam kene banyak eleksyon ka konstitusi ngai ba sibon ki jinor kam ba upai ba juga konstitusi dan kam khapta ma dia development mo ko kiliang te hata ka jing ajib sa jonga tengah so ngepej ba ngako abanyo kalang ti man kiu ka dan ko memeli mar ko MDC te kadai tang kan ti dustur ba indon ka jarap pai ba bat se ga idon ke jengta mar ti ni ka konstitusi ba khamtam ni be lang ba ka anu parti be lam ya jella te hon lami parti kongres ba phai abami po national party yang disebut national party ba sok ben ba ngai kan NPP ka national party ba tak supli sen ka office po Delhi po jilam jong chief minister ko national president ba po jilam ji sa preston ko national vice president tirkal ka jisenia ai ki party workers khamtam ki noilam du ki male minister mo ti ba iba kani party system no ka bet biang hapadeng ki jing penwet babun ndai kani party ki skam ni lam ya ka jela ba we ti ngaru la habang i kani ka mensem ka jing la ri jing noilam kalau pelong yaru kaki yaru mo barape ya ki ya karoi pa development kamta ma ngaru ngak chemji ba ba yalti nang ni stay bun butin bari session ni boleh ngi bun ki break ki do le kam jam jukin ma ka jing biang kal tis ki nang ni stay tenai bro mene da we da ki para we join lang mo ti parti ni kam bahabat kala war cho jing ni we pha chani parti te kumta ka semba kini ji anu jaru ka pej ba tang ni parti di kalat nga bangan kiu serta sebagai jiang nut kita kenal kalau dia bagi no kongres bantu jadi NPP bangadon jikir ban bangan jitai lang bagi ngadon gaji sini leader nak kenal personal nga ba ngantai ban ngantai lang ngan mi bukan di nak parti ban nomor ngaget ba dalam kum no dei kini kita ngilam jo parti kini mino ya oh ngadon kongres nga ngadon bro siapa tenrei lepas jusem bagadon ka ba kajimbombe nomor ba kabayi de yo arja khatra kabai ba lapang ilong president parti ndai laweng ngaru de mulong ngando bong mala de senior member jo parti kongres abdul kata te ngado borong ba ni Mawphlang ko siru de lama jingjau juga kum MDC kelakhan parti kongres ni Mawphlang tenrei bong ne ho arja khatra habo kanyo chua election arja khatra di balapang long presiden dari MI di parti belarat pak bajong ka mengilam berat bajong parti kongres dari la suwing sendet ku presiden tekla perlengok parti yang nganya ya nga but iu la jono seni ke parti NPP te neru jomi kala tik haru mo dan rei ngelaya siak bat ladon ka lawara presiden di presiden bismillah laba di alam parti ko mo biang bat ladon ka ni na jongi na simkiar komu gunung cikam ko ka parti kongres dekat MDC ibeli ilai kejuban nak por support ban wara presiden mo biang bertap saja parti itu por menebang dan kongres rei kai ba ya pembet di kawan pat Delhi dah kau pat karai tiga ni kelapan andrabi kita karai lawan hoi ba pala ko presiden ndai lai ba kajiki jong CLP dah ko kelapan ni je buat kajing pembet biang dari parti kita kada ba kadang di port ba biang bat kam tam le ngadon di suka ya ka konsesi ba ngau ba di kabu di ka election system semua ba yo ba cimata ko beli ko padi de di ka parti ko sak thong hol daga pan de tiket kongres tila daga job resi kita ji anu jo ke mamlap de lok tiap hai na bar daga sisin la rai ban mi madan ko bu ketong mili hab pe janu parti ba laun pedur long kita ji anu kam tam le daga konstitusi ba kam tam mo ba de ka jalab ro ko